Hey guys, and welcome. So today we are gonna talk about auto voice profits and how you can earn through it. So first, you should have an account in one of these platforms, and if you haven't, let's sign up to one. So we are gonna use Upwork. So just go to upwork.com and sign up. Join as a freelancer. So you can sign up using your Apple account or your Google account. You can also sign up manually, which is what we will do. So just fill in your complete name, email address, and password. Agree to terms, then just verify your email. After doing so, you are set to get started on filling in your Upwork profile. So just click Get Started and fill in the necessary details asked. You can also import your details from LinkedIn, upload your resume, or fill in details manually. So we will be filling in the details manually, like work experience, skills, and so on and so forth. Don't forget to have a good bio. Place in your hourly rates so client will know how much you charge. Add your profile photo and other details that are being needed. Click Submit and you are ready to go. Now you can look for jobs related to voiceover. So, just click on the search bar and type in voiceover and you will be presented with a list of voiceover opportunities. So, here is an example of a conversation with a client who wanted to convert a file. They are offering $190 amount to convert. So now let's go to your Auto Voice Profits account. Just log in. Fill in the required filters by your client. Copy-paste the document that needs to be converted and click Convert.
The name dinosaur comes from the Greek words dainos.
Then you can download your file and can finally submit this file to your client in Upwork and get paid. And that's how easy it is. Thanks, guys!